If you use Apple Pay on your iPhone, it's easy to add a card and make purchases using your Apple Watch, too. You can set up Apple Pay on your Apple Watch by adding a debit or credit card to the Wallet app. To start, bring your Apple Watch and iPhone close together. Then, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. If you use Apple Cash on your iPhone already, it's turned on automatically on your Apple Watch, too. You can tap Add Card to add a new card, or tap Add next to the card that you use on your iPhone to add it to your Apple Watch. Follow the steps on the screen to finish adding your card. When you're done, Card Added and a check mark appear on your iPhone. If this card is the first that you've added to the Wallet app on your Apple Watch, it becomes the default payment card on your watch. You can change the default card in the Wallet and Apple Pay settings in the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Your Apple Watch also beeps and displays a notification when you successfully add your card. Now you're ready to make a purchase. To use Apple Pay at a participating location, double-click the side button on your Apple Watch to open your default payment card. If you want to use a different card, you can scroll down to pick one. Then, hold the display of your Apple Watch near the contactless reader. When your payment is successful, your Apple Watch beeps, and you feel a gentle tap. And that's Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, a simple and secure way to pay.